Tim, you deal with a variety of clients. What is it that they all have in common?
They're all looking for expertise and value. In this economic downturn, we've actually seen an increase in business because we provide value and expertise. And of course, I do intellectual property, and almost everybody comes to me for that. So they've got some kind of intangible issue that they're dealing with, whether it's the copyrights, the patents, the trademarks, the trade secrets, or the unfair competition.
Okay, so one part of what you do must involve being really proactive in behalf of your clients, right?
Absolutely. In a sense, intellectual property, the law in general, can be thought of as a sword and a shield. In some ways, it can be used defensively. In other ways, it can be used offensively. So in intellectual property, if I've got a product or a service and I'm trying to protect it on behalf of a client, I like to put extra arrows in my quiver so that when that pirate comes along, when that rip-off artist comes along, we've got extra weaponry, if you will, to put them down. And that's part of being proactive.
Interesting. Well, talk to us about being defensive.
I like to take cases, particularly on the defense side, that I really believe in. You know, part of doing defense work is trying to figure out what a win is. If your client is guilty, a win is mitigating the damages, limiting the liability.
Of course, you're doing the work with people. What is it that you enjoy about your clients?
Gosh, I think my favorite client is when we get that combination of business person and dreamer. You know, when you can take your dreams and you can put it into a business plan and roll it out to the world, that's what changes the world.
So I see what you like about your clients. What do they like about you?
Well, what I think my clients like about me is that I am good at what I do. I love to win. And I think it's also that I, like most of my clients, am a business owner, and I understand what they're doing from a business perspective.
I'm sure you're right.
My final question is this. Tim, how do you do what you do differently from other attorneys?
Part of what sets us apart from other attorneys is the way we work with our clients. We create a team environment, and it's a team effort. The client is an expert in what they do, their product, their business, their dream. We're an expert in intellectual property and business law. When we can combine the client's expertise, knowledge, and passion with our expertise, knowledge, and passion, the results are amazing.